I've always felt, because I shied away from smiling, that people get that I'm not a very friendly person, and that's far from the truth if you talk to anybody.
Ms. Kathy was actually a patient that was sent to us as a referral from another specialist in Mississippi. And she had a condition where she had lost all of her bone in her upper jaw, and she was not liking the denture that she was wearing, having issues wearing the denture, and she needed zygomatic implants. And there's very few specialists in Louisiana that place zygomatic implants.
The doctor and his staff, I mean, I was given the VIP treatment the very first day I walked in, and still today, you couldn't ask for anything better.
Since the procedure, in our office, we see the patient the day after, at 1 week post-op, and every month during their healing process. And I've seen Miss Alford after multiple months of her healing process, and she's doing great. Her bite's perfect. She loves her teeth. She's not having any issues. She had minimal post-operative swelling, minimal post-operative pain, and she absolutely loves coming to our office for visits. My children and my grandkids love seeing me smile all the time now. People can just tell that I'm just a happier person. I have my self-confidence back.